Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Blessing Akato and I'm back with something interesting like guys. So today we are officially doing my first video, my very first vlog video on my channel. So Asuu actually suspended the strike. They did not call it the strike, but they actually suspended the strike. So I'm very happy and we're getting back to school, guys. So I'm so happy, like I am so happy. So I just want to show you guys the arrangements going back to school. Actually, I'm still at my parents' place, and today's Saturday. I'll resume it tomorrow to get to school by tomorrow, and classes starts on Monday. So today's Saturday. Yesterday I went to actually clean my place at school. So I'll be going back to school tomorrow, guys. And I can't wait. Like, I am so happy. Like, you get the gist. So, literally, guys, I am so happy. So, I would be going back to school tomorrow to arrange my room, get things prepared. My room right now at my parents' place is so scattered. I cannot show you guys. Like, sorry, I cannot show you guys. It's so messed up. Trying to put things together, trying to arrange my things so that I don't forget anything. So, trying to arrange my school supplies and all of that. So, that's it. So we are going back to school. Yay! We are going back to school, and I am so glad. I'm grateful to God that we are going back to school. So I'm going to show you guys around. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, guys.
Hey guys, good morning. I know that I just woke up. I've been awake for like an hour plus now. So I have gotten to school, to my apartment in school, and it was really stressful. Today is Monday, and this is like I think 7:30 in the morning. Um, Yesterday it rained heavily, like you cannot imagine. I don't even know I got here. Like the room right now is messed up. I haven't done anything. Why? I got here pretty late yesterday. I couldn't even vlog for you guys. I couldn't like show you guys any other thing. Like I could not do anything. You understand? So I got here pretty late and I wasn't able to arrange anything. I just had to clean up my bed and sleep, guys. 'Cause I was very tired. I got here pretty late, like almost like to 7. And it was not nice because it was stressful trying to like get my things in and voila. So sorry, it's morning. So literally at my apartment right now and I want to start working, but first I want to literally go wash my plates because when I came here on Friday I could not, because we're actually fixing our sink, our kitchen sink. So I needed to just wait for them to, I could not wait for them to finish. So I'm going to wash those plates this morning, my plates, my pots. For 18 months I've not used them, so I need to like take my time and wash them. So I will be doing that this morning. Then I'm going to be arranging my room. Guys, let me show you what my room looks like right now. Like, it's messed up. My bags are everywhere. My things are everywhere. And my roommate is not even around. My roommate didn't come as well yesterday. I think it's because of the rain too. But just that, because I have made up my mind to come here yesterday, I could have just as well relaxed and come here this morning. But I felt I have a lot of things to do. It's better to come here late and then, you know, just get things done. So basically, I'm going to show you guys. Let me show you guys what my room looks like right now. Like, my room is messed up. This is my room right now. This is my box, my things, and is I want to change my curtain. So it's totally messed up, and I don't know where to start from. But the first thing I agreed to do today, or I actually like told myself I would do today, is wash those plates first. So that's what I'm going to be doing now.
Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and actually dressed to go out. I'm already dressed. Like guys, I already took out my hair. I took out my hair yesterday. I did. I did not on time because actually I was kind of tired. I slept and then I took it out and voila. It's I'm going to, I don't know when I'll make it, but I need to wash the hair. I could not yesterday, so I might go to the salon to do that. Or maybe when I get back from school, I will do that. So, guys, this is what I'm looking like this morning. This is what I'm looking like this morning. Like, it rained. I should have left the house since, I think, since around 8. This is like around after 10. I had to miss a class by 8 because of the rain. So I am going to class. I have class by 11, so I'm about leaving the house to go wait for my friend and then we'll go together, guys. So voila. So I'm heading out and see you guys in a bit.